We are showcasing a brand new recipe for keto empanadas, and I'm going to spoil it and just say it's spectacular.
It's amazing.
So Roman, let's just go right into the recipe because I'm so excited to show how easy it is to make delicious, crispy, crunchy, yummy empanadas.
Pork rinds ground down, our almond flour, salt, konjac powder. We'll give that a couple of pulses just to get it all together. We are going to add our egg. All right, now we're going to add our melted cheese. Let's incorporate that. And then last but not least, we are going to, I'll just give this a quick mix.
All right, what's in there?
That's our water and our calcium hydroxide. And that is going to help gel our konjac powder.
So you might have seen this recipe, a similar version of it when we did keto pizzas. That was kind of the starting point of this, but we did tweak it because we needed, in this case, a dough that we can fold and we can seal.
So we'll just get our dough into our bowl. And I'm trying to work, you don't have to be too quick, but this does start gelling pretty quickly once the hydroxide is introduced to the cognac. So you kind of want to work quickly, not too fast. And I'd say from the experiments that I've done, I'd say you got probably about a half an hour to 35 minutes before that dough is so set that you can't make the empanadas. So.
All right, so do we start making empanadas right away, or?
What we'll do is we will portion our doughs, we'll weigh them out, and then we'll let them rest for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Once that's happened, it'll be very easy to make our empanadas. If you try to do it too early, the dough is still a little bit very, very soft, and what it'll do, it'll pancake out when you're pressing it down.
Okay.
All right, I weigh these out to about 40 grams per ball. You could make them as big or as small as you want them to make, but when you're using, I'm going to be using the empanada press, and when you're using the empanada press, you want to have a little bit more because you're going to press it, and if it's too short, it won't seal. And so you give yourself a little excess, but I'm going to show you guys a little trick because whatever's left in excess, if you do it within the time frame, you can roll it back up and make more empanadas.
Okay, cool.
When we baked them in the oven, didn't come out as great as they did when we fried them. Frying was definitely by far the best.
So we got these balls and
right.
we were just poking them like a second ago.
And like I said, you see them starting to firm up. These are right about where you want to start making the empanadas.
Okay.
You don't want to do
Definitely
it before.
got some body to them.
All right, so let's do it. Very easy, right? I have my tortilla press. I have a couple of pieces of plastic wrap, and I'm just going to press these right in between. And this will be our, I'll take a look. I think that's wide enough.
Yeah.
All right, and that comes off right easily off of this bad boy. That feels great. And we're going to put it right in the center here. Very important to have your filling ready, but not only ready, room temperature, because if your filling is too cold, it'll poke right through the dough, which I've had happen a few times.
All right, and what are we doing
So this is our cheeseburger filling, which I believe was your idea. All right, now we want to close our empanada up, turn it to the side, and then we have that.
Oh, that's so cool.
And that's beautiful. That's a beautiful empanada. We'll just set that up right there, and we'll keep this because we can put these together and we can make another empanada. So waste not, want not.
But once you make them, can you then freeze them and cook them later?
Yes, I have frozen them. I have refrigerated them up to a week, and they still fried up fine. Right in the freezer to the fryer, perfect. Okay. So no problems there. All right, let's fry these guys up.
Yeah.
So we have our cheeseburger. We have our carnitas.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm excited for this one. And we have our duck confit.
What?
Yeah.
You did a fancy one.
Yes. And so we're going to fry these to golden brown.
All right, we've been smelling these empanadas frying for the last 5 or 6 minutes. They smell amazing. And as you can see, golden brown perfectly.
Crispy.
We don't know which one's which, so we're going to crack into them one by one and taste them.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
First one. That looks like...
Is that carnitas?
I think that's duck. I think that's the duck. Let's see.
It's so good.
That's really good, actually. Holy crap.
This is the first time I've had this one.
Wow.
Oh my God. This crust is
Wow.
perfectly crispy. It's tender. It's not flaky because you
Not
can't
flaky.
really get that
Well,
with
not-
keto.
yeah, not with keto.
But it is just like chewy. It has a fantastic texture. As you can
really
see,
good.
it's
Holy
not
crap.
falling apart.
Nope.
You know, and this duck is amazing.
This is really good.
Yeah, all of these recipes will be on the blog, blog.modernistpantry.com, link in the description below. So go check them out. This duck is phenomenal.